Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah Poetspice, and I am here to do the next installment of the UK Craft Fest Collab. Yay! So, if you're interested in playing along, all you gotta do is follow the information below and put that in your description box and use the hashtag, and you can play too. So, we're using our products that come from companies that are in the UK. Today, I'm using Crafter's Companion, and I'm also using Sam Alcott or Calcott. Oh, excuse me, headache. So, let me show you from Crafter's Companion first. And then, actually, the next project is a combination of Crafter's Companion, a little bit of Anna Griffin stuck in there, and Sam. So, if you do not know, Crafter's Companion has these decoupage flower kits, and they come with your decoupage pieces. And this was one that was in their this is one of the craft kit boxes. So it came with two different ones. So you have your lilacs and a rose. It came with the dies to cut them out, as well as stamps to match. So that's what their kits are like when they do them. As far as the decoupage, you have the paper, the dies, and stamps. And then of course the dies will cut out this piece, and they will also cut out the stamps. Okay, so those are together. And I just made some 3x3 cards. They don't have any sentiments on them yet. And I used my stash of background papers, and also the card bases are actually Crafter's Companion card bases. So when you look at this one, okay. So here's what the lilac looks like layered up with some foam tape, and I've just got it on a silver base. That was some scraps left over from my Anna Griffin doing yesterday. So I put those scraps on here, and then on the inside it's just a scrap, and you can use these and put them in little happy mail, anything like that. You could put them on journal pages. You could actually go ahead and then put it on a card and make it a card within a card. So there's the lilac one. Love it. And then here's the rose. So I made this one open sideways. So just a 3x3 with some decoupage on the top. You could put some little sentiments, and they have some sentiments in there, and I cut them out, but I didn't like the way they cut out, so I just left them like this. So there's those two. Then I pulled out, this was also in a Crafter's Companion kit, their little craft boxes. So they had these where you have the punch outs, and then you make the little animal. Okay, so I have some elephants because I like elephants, so I ended up doing more of those this time. So I did two of the little elephants. I actually did three, but here's two of them that are left over, and so you can see how you can put them together. And so there's the elephant, the tiger, and there's a giraffe. And then it has, with the kit, it came with papers and stuff, of course. And then it has your instructions, how to put them together. So you can see what you get. And then on the other side, this is where the die comes in. And this is where I was a little bit disappointed, because when they showed the box, I thought the dies cut out the elephant, but they don't. So I was like, oh, it was kind of disappointing. But anyway, so you get this die sheet, and then when you cut these pieces, you can make these animals. So you can use a unicorn, a cat, a lion, and a dog. And I'm pretty sure you can make some other things too. Like this tail, you could probably use to make a fox. And since this is a cat, you could turn the cat into a fox. Okay. All right, so then it has this like plate die, and you just can cut it. And you can cut it in multiple colors, or you could just do white and then color it. So that's what this kit was, plus the papers that came with it. So I had some 8x8 papers and some cardstock as well. So there's that. Let me just put this over here real quick. And then I pulled out this paper. This goes with the double slider dies that Sam Calcott from Made to Surprise has. And so this is just some scenery sheets. Now, I realize these are forest versus jungle, but it worked anyway. So I used that. I also used a Crafter's Companion card base to create this cute little card. So you can see the paper in the background. It's a 5x7 that I cut down, card base from Crafter's Companion. And then you can see where I put the little frame on. That's the Anna Griffin piece because I'm like, I wanted something different. So I put the little frame on, and then here's one of those pieces that is from this kit, and then you can see the 3 little animals. How cute are they? And I don't know, this must be the week of not putting sentiments on because I don't know what I wanted to say. If I wanted to say happy birthday or, you know, hey, what's up, Forest Gal, whatever, I don't know. So there's the front. Now this is one time I haven't done the inside because I'm not sure what I want to do on that one either. So those are my 3 pieces for this week's UK Craft Fest. So like I said, go ahead and play along, and then go check out Sewgoodall because my girl is playing along with me. All right, you guys, be safe out there and have a good day.